Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green dal. First, select a location that receives full sun throughout the day, as these plants love warmth. Ensure your soil drains well to prevent waterlogging. When planting, sow your seeds approximately 1 inch deep into the prepared soil. Remember to give each plant enough room to flourish by spacing them 4 to 6 inches apart. This initial setup is crucial for a successful harvest. For optimal growth, green dal prefers a soil pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. If your soil is heavy clay, enrich it with plenty of organic matter to improve drainage and aeration. It is best to sow your seeds after the last danger of frost has passed, when soil temperatures are consistently warm. After placing your seeds, water the area thoroughly to help settle the soil and initiate germination. Maintaining consistent moisture is key. Keep the soil moist but never waterlogged. Regular weeding is important to prevent competition for nutrients and water, allowing your dal plants to thrive. Consider fertilizing with a balanced, low-nitrogen formula to encourage pod development rather than excessive leaf growth. If you are growing a taller variety, offering some support can prevent plants from falling over. You will know it is time to harvest your green dal when the pods begin to turn yellow or brown and feel dry to the touch. Carefully pick the pods from the plants. It is essential to dry the pods completely before you shell them to ensure proper preservation. Once shelled, store your dried green dal in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Now you can enjoy your delicious homegrown dal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.